Alright, Hulk Hogan has a mass of 90 kilograms, runs into his opponent at a velocity of 2 meters per second and grabs him. If his opponent was standing still and had a mass of 90 kilograms, what would their velocity be after they collide? So we got Hulk Hogan here. Okay? He's moving this way with a velocity of 2 meters per second. And his mass is 90 kilograms. You've also got his opponent, which is a guy who's standing here, whose mass is also 90 kilograms, because they're in the same weight class, I'm sure. But he's not moving, he's at rest, so he's going 0 meters per second. Standing still, 0 meters per second. Okay, after. So afterwards we've got Mr. Hogan and the other guy, who we could assume is maybe like sideways, because Hogan's like tackling him. There's 90 kilograms, and Hulk Hogan is 90 kilograms. So the total mass, 90 plus 90, is what? 180 kilograms. Okay, let's write down their masses and their velocities. So the mass of the first one, Hulk Hogan, 90 kilograms. And the velocity of that was 2 meters per second. Object 2 was his opponent. He had a mass of 90 kilograms also. And a velocity of 0 meters per second. He was standing still. So finally, the total mass, we already added that up. So M1 plus M2 is going to give me 180 kilograms. And the velocity I don't know. So I'll put a question mark there. So let's plug it in. You should be copying this down on your paper while I'm doing it. Alright, so M1 V1 plus M2 V2 equals MF and VF. My M1 was 90 kilograms times V1, which was 2 meters per second, plus M2, which was 90 kilograms, and then times 0 meters per second. My final mass, which we have here, total mass is 180 kilograms, and I don't know my final velocity, so that's times VF. We're going to do the second step right beneath it. 90 times 2 is what? 180. 180. So I've got 180 kilogram times meters per second, and then over here 90 times 0 is going to give me 0 kilogram meters per second, and then on the other side I've still got 180 kilograms and then VF. So solve for answer. So we don't need the 0 there anymore, so I'll just rewrite this. We've got 180 kilogram meters per second and on the other side all there is 180 kilograms and then still times final velocity, which I don't know. Since I want to get the final velocity by itself, I have to get rid of this 180 that's over there with it. So I'm going to divide both sides by 180 kilograms. 180 kilograms, and this side by 180 kilograms. Most of the questions you're going to do are going to have no decimals and will be like this. Questions on the test, on the exit slip especially. So we'll cancel out what we need to, so kilograms and kilograms cancels out. 180, 180. Over here, kilograms and kilograms cancels out. Now, I guess the problem I'm having here is if I cancel out the 180 to the 180, I'm left with nothing. What you need to do though is you need to divide 180 by 180. Right, 180 divided by 180 is 1. So my answer over here, right now I have 1 meter per second, Veronica, could you hit the door please, equals VF. So my final velocity goes over here, that's going to be VF equals 1 meter per second. Put a box around it.